got that up north glow, body looking like cinnamon. I'm running shit right now, I think I pulled a ligament. Fashion killer, a liar, assassin, vet, mom, villain,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have some yum yum sauces, like a mayonnaise based sauce. That's what it looks like, you guys. And then I have a red ale. I think it's the red apple ale or red ape. It's a Reds. That's what it's called. Reds drink. And as you can see, I've showed you guys I've got corn, some tiger shrimp, and some king crab legs. That's all I had to taste for today. Not doing the potatoes. Trying to stay away from the starch. Trying to do everything grilled and baked. And of course, I've got a few pieces of corn on the cob. Hey guys, so before we get started, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can get more videos like this. All right, you guys, so my food is getting cold. I don't want my food to get cold, so I'm going to go ahead and say my grace. Gracious Father, I thank you so much for this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. I pray amen, amen, and amen. All right, you guys, I've had a taste for king crab for a few days now, so I'm about to dig in like nobody's business, okay? And I tried a different seasoning this time with my seafood versus normally. So I'm excited to see what this tastes like this time. This thing's sticky. Leg number one. I dropped the shell on the floor, but I'll get that in a minute. Hope everybody's having a good day. This new sauce is good. And it's got a really, really good flavor into it. Really nice flavor. Definitely something totally different. I think the name of the seasoning is called Slap Your Mama. Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning or something like that. So it's got like a little kick to it, but it's pretty good. I like it. So I'm adding that to my collection of seasonings. Y'all, look at that meat. Y'all see that? Y'all get a good glimpse of that. Y'all see that meat? Oh, it looks so good. And I got these king crab legs from my local Sam's. I don't have a Costco here, so I went to Sam's and got it. Yummy. Y'all, I didn't put no makeup on today. I just came barefaced y'all today. Ball eyes and all. Y'all see all that meat? Yummy. Oh, that's fat right there. I don't like that. Ooh, got a nice kick to it, y'all. Some large shrimp. I got the shrimp from my local Sam's too, y'all. And what I noticed about tiger shrimp is a little bit tougher than regular colossal shrimp or larger shrimp. It's still good, but it's just tougher. I'm getting all the way down to the claw today, y'all. I know a lot of times I'll skip over the claw. And I see a lot of people skip over the claw, but today I'm going to eat the claw and all. You know, so it'll be a little bit piece of meat in there, but still, I want it all. See that knuckle? Come on out of there. I know you in there hiding. Come on. I'm going to get you. There you go. You was hiding from me. It's that white stuff I don't like. y'all. So are y'all ready for the springtime? Because I'm ready. I'm tired of the cold. I'm tired of being cold now. I'm ready to get hot. Yummy. Come on. Come on, mama. Y'all, it's good. And I ain't do no thumbnail, y'all. Hope y'all can see the food okay. I'm looking at my viewfinder. I think everything okay. I ain't working with a lot of space right here. I know one of them pieces of meat fell out already. I think this was it. This was the shell. Let me make sure. Excuse me, y'all. Yep, I think this was the other half. This is a small one. Gotcha. Oh, don't you get away from me. I won't let you do it. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I'm sitting here thinking that my camera recording and it's not even recording. So I had to get up, hit play. Hope y'all can still see me okay. You see that thing? Is that better? My head cut off, y'all, but whatever. Y'all get the point. Y'all see the food. That's the main point. Y'all, this corn so sweet. It's the Green Giant Super Sweet. Either super sweet, super stay, or something like that. Super sweet, extra sweet. It's a lot of sweet, okay? Y'all, just go back some. Sorry having to readjust everything, y'all. Come on. Y'all see that meat? Y'all, this is delicious. Ha ha! Y'all, it's delicious. Y'all, I'm getting full already. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all, I'm getting full. Well, I do got a little bit left. See the shrimp. Sorry, let me stop. But y'all, do you start dancing when you get good food? Comment down below, let me know if you get excited when you get ready to eat too. When it's time to eat, you get excited. Well, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this mukbang, however you want to say it. I'm pretty sure this is one of the shortest mukbangs you have ever seen. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to come on you guys and just eat with you guys for a little while. You know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Make sure you like the video, comment down below, and let me know when you get food. Do you get excited and start dancing too, girl? And all of my oldies but my goodies, you know I love you. Hugs and kisses to you. And make sure you share this video wherever you share your videos at, whether it be Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, boo. You know I love you. Until I see you in the next video. Peace.